No one in human history has ever died from eating this mushroom. It's the Amanita muscaria mushroom, and it's what I sell. This one has white gills, white spots on the red cap. It has a bulb at the bottom of the stem that has layers on it because it starts as an egg, and then it becomes this. It also has a veil on the stem, which is how I can identify it. Another way I can identify it is the way it makes me feel after I eat it. So, it feels like alcohol, but with no hangover. So it's like psychedelic alcohol with no hangover. Buy some now. I'll tell you how I feel in a few hours. And then, as with anything, there may be side effects. Upset stomach. For me, I've never had a painful upset stomach or anything. I've had diarrhea, and I've had like an internal itch in my stomach, which I just massaged my stomach and it felt like I was satiating an itch, which was really interesting. All right, it's been 15 minutes since I ate this mushroom, and I have a little bit of swelling in my inner mouth, but that's what happens when I eat normal mushrooms too. I'm not really sure why. Maybe because of the fibers, but that's the update. Hello. This is an hour or two after I originally had the mushroom, and I feel the mushroom's effects mildly, and the only side effect was a little bit of swelling inside the mouth, and that was it. So yeah, I feel good, and I've had this mushroom many times in the past, so I am very familiar with the effects and the potential intensities of the effects. And right now, I'm at like a 3 or 4 out of 10. So that's pretty good. Yeah, that's what I was going for with that, only eating half of a cap. So yeah. Peace. All right, it's almost been 6 hours since I ate the mushroom, and the effects have worn off. The peak of the effect was about a 5 out of 10 on the intensity scale that I've ever felt. And yeah, the only side effect was the slight swelling inside the mouth. But that's what happens when I eat normal mushrooms anyway. I don't know why. Even like a hawkswing mushroom or some edible mushroom, it's like when I chew it up and it comes in contact with my mouth, it makes a bit of a swelling. But that's all that happened, and digestion worked out perfectly fine, and the effects of the mushroom were very pleasant.